After months of a ceasefire between the two most powerful criminal gangs in Karachi, violence has once again gripped the volatile Lyari area of the city. Police and intelligence officials claim that both these notorious gangs are once again at daggers drawn. But leaders of both the gangs reject these claims. Our correspondent Hassan Abdullah reports exclusively after meeting the two dons of Lyari.
गलियों में पलने वाले डिफेंस में तेरे बाप की कोठी तुमने बनाई है। कौन करेगा रहनुमाई?
Lyari has always had its fair share of issues, ranging from a strong sense of economic deprivation to the law and order situation. For over a decade, bullets and rockets rained down on the houses of this area as the Rahman Dakat and Arshad Pappu gangs engaged in bloody wars. However, the gang war finally ended after efforts of the Lyari Peace Committee. But once again, violence has resumed in Lyari. Police and intelligence officials say there is trust deficit between the two gangs and they have once again pointed guns at each other. But Uzair Baloch and Ghaffar Zikri, the respective leaders of the two gangs, reject the official claims.
गफ्फार जिगरी और उसके भाई है, उसके साथी, हम एक साथ खाते हैं, एक साथ उठते हैं, एक साथ बैठते हैं। हमने कुरान शरीफ पे हाथ रख के कसम का है, हमारा मरना जीना एक दूसरे के साथ है। और ये सारे प्रोगंडा है हमें आपस में लड़वाने के लिए कि ये कर रहे हैं, लियारी में ऑपरेशन होना चाहिए। मैं कहता हूं कि लियारी में ऑपरेशन के बजाय कराची में ऑपरेशन होना चाहिए।
Interestingly, some residents of Lyari have been accusing Ghaffar Zikri of maintaining a secret alliance, but Zikri denies the charge.
अगर मैं कोई सियासी बंदा होता था तो आज मेरे इलाके में पीपल्स पार्टी जीतता नहीं था। मेरे इलाके में भी पीपल्स पार्टी ने कामयाबी हासिल किया। इससे बड़ा सबूत और कुछ नहीं है जो मैं दे सकूं।
NQM officials say the gangsters are being used by certain political quarters against the NQM.
Well, I'm surprised the hardcore criminals, gangsters and murderers of innocent citizens of Lyari are now trying to tow the agenda of certain influential people of the area who are trying to bring them all the criminals into the political limelight. Well, Muttahida Qawmi movement is doing just one thing in Lyari, which is providing water to the needy, which is doing development work through its city district government, and everybody knows that.
Regardless of the political reality, once again it's the ordinary people of Lyari who are suffering. Some political observers say that this area has been kept embroiled in such issues for political gains. They add that while such a strategy may provide short-term gains, in the long term this strategy would prove disastrous. Hassan Abdullah, Dawn News, Karachi.